Freja, er du klar til at komme på ski? Er du klar til at komme på ski?
Ja, jeg er så klar.
Er I træt?
Nej.
Klar til i morgen?
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I had to do.
Så du ikke?
Hvad? Styrte du?
Ja, der var sunshine styr.
I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Just as surprised as
Hey Malte! Hvor er de andre henne?
Vi kunne ikke mere.
Er det kun dig og mig nu?
Ja.
Nå. Så er vi sgu færdige for i dag. Håndtegn.